We all want success, don't we? We all dream of that one moment that will change our lives forever. But here's a secret most people miss. Big results don't come from big, dramatic actions. We wait for the perfect day, the perfect plan, the perfect opportunity. And while we're waiting, our dreams just fade away. What if I told you that real, lasting success isn't about giant leaps, but about tiny, almost invisible steps? What if a simply 1% improvement each day could completely transform your reality? Let me share a story with you. The story of a boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was, by all accounts, ordinary. Average in his studies, average in sports, average in just about everything. He'd look at his friends who seemed to score better, speak more confidently, and just live life with more flair, and he'd feel small. He tried to change. Oh, he tried many times. He'd dive into studying for a week, only to burn out and give up. He'd hit the gym with intense motivation, but quit after just 10 days. He tried waking up early, but the snooze button always won after day 3. With every failure, a little voice in his head whispered, "Maybe you're just not good enough." And slowly, tragically, he started to believe it. He started to believe he was destined to remain average. One sunny afternoon, Ahmed found his grandfather in the courtyard, quietly polishing an old wooden chair. It was a slow, meticulous process. "Grandfather," Ahmed asked, "why spend so much time on this old chair? It's never going to look new again." His grandfather looked up, a gentle smile on his face. "My boy," he said, "do you see these tiny strokes of polish? They look small, insignificant even, but each one adds a little bit of shine. Slowly, with patience, this old chair will glow again." Ahmed was puzzled. His grandfather continued, "Life is a lot like this chair. You don't need to fix it all at once. You just need to add a little shine every single day, one stroke at a time. That, my child, is the real secret of transformation." Those words echoed in Ahmed's mind. They struck a chord deep within him. He decided to give it a try, to apply this one stroke at a time philosophy to his own life. The 1% rule. Instead of forcing himself to study for 3 grueling hours, he started with just 15 minutes. The next day, he added 5 more minutes, and then 5 more the day after that. Instead of trying to run a 5K on his first day, he started with just 5 push-ups. The next day, he did 6. Instead of trying to become fluent in English overnight, he committed to learning just 5 new words each day. At first, the progress was invisible, so small, in fact, that no one noticed a thing. Even he sometimes felt like nothing was happening. But he stuck with it. After 30 days, his 15 minutes of daily study had naturally grown to 2 hours. His 5 push-ups had become 50. His vocabulary had expanded by 150 new words. But the biggest change wasn't on the outside. It was his confidence, which had begun to shine through. Months rolled by. Ahmed didn't magically become a genius overnight, but slowly, things started to shift. His classmates noticed he was answering more questions in class. His posture was better. His body looked stronger and healthier. He spoke more clearly, with a newfound conviction in his voice. Then came the day of the school debate competition. When Ahmed not only participated but stood first, his teachers were genuinely shocked. They pulled him aside, asking, "Ahmed, how did you change so much?" He just smiled and replied, "I didn't change all at once. I just got 1% better every single day." This is the hidden truth, the powerful secret behind all great achievements. You don't need to move mountains. You just need to carry a single stone consistently. A 1% improvement might seem like nothing today, but it compounds. Improving by 1% every day means you'll be nearly 37 times better in just 1 year. Think about it in your own life. If you read just 10 pages a day, you could finish 12 to 15 books in a year. If you save just $1 a day, you build a powerful saving habit that's stronger than waiting for a big paycheck. Success isn't born from intensity. It's forged in the fires of consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, create an unstoppable momentum. that will carry you forward. So, if you feel stuck right now, if you feel lost or average, just remember Ahmed's story. Don't try to change your entire life in one day. Instead, ask yourself this simple question: what is one small thing I can do today that will make me 1% better? Because greatness isn't built in a day. Greatness is built daily. One stroke at a time, one step at a time, 1% at a time. And one day, when you look back, you will be amazed to see that all those tiny steps have added up to the giant leap you always dreamed of making. Remember, big success is nothing more than small improvements done consistently. Your 1% today is the foundation for your 100% tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you on your journey. We'll see you in the next one.